Oh, we have a lot of friends that came out to say hi to us. I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you, don't worry. Someone else just came over to say hi as well. Let me open up your house, Dixie. Let me open up your house so you can get in. Okay then. Crap. Now my phone's overheating. My phone's overheating now cuz it's hot out. And I'm in the sun, as you can tell. Well, if my camera's in the sun, my camera overheats, and yeah, then I can't make a video. So I have to be in the shade. As you can tell, I'm in the shade right now. I'm in the shade right now. Someone doesn't want to go outside. Yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, view my videos, subscribe, leave a comment in the link below. View my videos, subscribe, leave a comment in the link below. And, what else? Like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.